Man, here it is. Such an awesome bike, a 2026 Kawasaki Vulcan Classic LT. It's got everything on it, and for an unbelievable price. Stay with me. We're fixing to ride it. We're going to talk about it. Here we go. First thing I'll show you is where you turn it on, right here on the side. We'll turn it on, you see it fire up, put that kickstand up. It's got that really vintage looking speedometer. It is on. I'll tell you what, it's very rare that with all the reviews I do, that I get to really just ride a motorcycle and connect with it. One that doesn't have a TFT or, you know, like the sport bikes and have the quick shifters and all that. This is truly a bike that does have a locking gas cap, but truly a bike that you just get on. I'm going to call this, and you leave a comment, I'm going to call this a relationship builder. Let's get on the road. It does have a heel and toe shifter. It does have these floorboards. I tell you what, I love heel and toe shifters and floorboards. I've had the Harleys before. Put that visor up. Nope, we'll leave it down. Plain old Kawasaki, Suzuki, Aprilia, Moto Guzzi. I'm so thankful to them. They always let me ride this stuff first. I will tell you, you're sitting back, you're not leaning forward at all, and you do have this awesome seat in the back that you could carry your wife on or your girlfriend or what, and it's going to do everything that you need to do. And what's incredible about this is a 2026 and it's $10,800 with the bags, everything. I'm going to walk you around it real quick before we jump on the road. But man, this bike is just so nice and so relaxed. It's well balanced. The seat height is 20, I believe the seat height, and if I'm wrong, I'll fix it in the video, is 26 inches high. The weight on this is 660 pounds. You do have your neutral light there. You can pull it up with your toe, and that's what I just did. Let me jump off. I'm going to walk you around it and show you everything you get real quick. All right, here we go. These are actually leather bags, and I undid them earlier just to make sure. This is leather. Let me do this real quick. They are lined. This appears to be real leather. You can see it there, but you get the bags with it. Let me lock this one down. I don't want to bore you with a bunch of stuff, but my question is, why is Harley Davidson $27,000 for the same thing? Explain it to me. This bike has floorboards. That'd be probably $500, $750 with Harley Davidson. You get the windshield, you get everything. You can raise and lower this windshield height right there. I hope you can see that. So you could raise it, I'm going to say probably another 2 inches. But the leather bags, you get, they're studded, the seat is studded. You get the sissy bar, I call it a sissy bar. But you could put mama or the girlfriend right there. And man, you talking about rekindling old flames. You could take her out for a ride. I don't know where you'd go, but I know where I'd go. You can leave a smiley face in the comments if you think I'm crazy. But look at this. You get the windshield, you get the bags, you get the floorboards, you get the heel and toe shifter. Come on, Harley Davidson. Let's get real. 26, 27 grand. This is 10,800. Brand new. They're indestructible. I've done all the Vulcan with the big front wheel, and I'll put that thumbnail up. I do the Vulcan 650s. I'll put those in there, show you some thumbnails, and I'll put a Vulcan 650 at the back of the video. Let's go ride it. That's what you're here for. Get back on it here. Man, this is such a Cadillac. Just got your clock in there. Make sure I'm still getting the right view. Let's go. I will tell you, highway speeds, this is not an 85, 90 mile an hour cruiser, only for one reason. It does not have a 6th gear, but I'm telling you, up to 70, 75 mile an hour is no problem. It ain't something you'd want to burn the highway up with. If you were going to do long distance cruising, you would probably need a 6 gear if you're going to live on the highway with one. But the weight on this, I think I said it before, is 650 pounds. The total width, bar to bar, is 39 inches. The total height is 50, I believe it's 54 inches high from the ground to the top of the windshield. But man, torque, it makes 51 horsepower, which don't seem like a whole lot, but it makes a ton of torque at almost 60 foot-pounds of torque. And torque is what gets you moving, just so comfortable. You can pitch it side to side with these big wide bars. I'd probably put me a drink holder right there for my big gulps or my big QT 44-ounce cups. It's got plenty good brakes. The front rotor on it is 300 millimeter, and the back rotor is a little bit bigger than what's standard. I believe it's 270 millimeter, and I'm really using the back brake here, and it will lock that tire up. You just heard that. It's plenty sufficient. You don't have a gear counter here, but this is the kind of bike you just get in tune with. You don't need something to show you what gear you're in. And it's the center of gravity is so low with this motor, it's just effortless. We're going to get out here and give it a little jump here. Turn that blinker on. There's your blinker flashing. You'll push that in to cancel. This is very, very basic, but man, it checks all the boxes. $10,800 for a brand new cruiser. Got the heel and toe shifter. I just use that heel shifter. You leave a comment what you think about them. But excellent around town bike, just very well balanced. And this is a bike you can just get in touch with, and it's more about, for me, when I get on something like this, it's more about just taking it easy and just riding and being in tune with nature and being in tune with what's going on around you, just really enjoying riding. You get on these sport bikes and you get on these little crotch rockets, and I love them, don't get me wrong. But man, you pull up at a red light and another one, especially here in Texas, you pull up and another one wants to race you. This is just a fun cruise bike. Very well balanced, and I'm going very slow. Leather bags, windshield, done deal. 5 gears, and I'm going to show you the speed on this as far as what it does in top gear at what mile per hour without that 6 gear. If you're going to be on the highway and live on the highway with it, you might want to get a bike with 6 gears. But man, I don't even know, there's not a gear counter, and I don't even know what gear I'm in, and it really don't even matter. That windshield is just blocking that wind. I could see myself if I had my wife on the back, had my left arm on her knee and saying, baby, you know I love you. And she'd probably be snarling at me going, yeah, what do you want? I call this relationship builder. You can get this, you and mama go out for coffee on Saturday morning, and she's going to love it. It's not going to be real jerky. It's not going to be something that scares her. It ain't got 200 horsepower. It's just a fun bike. I'm not using that front brake, and that back brake is plenty sufficient to stop it. Turn that blinker on. Look at this, man. This is what motorcycling is all about. I mean, just getting out, taking it easy, looking at the trees, looking at the sky. I mean, look at this thing, man. I wonder what they're doing back there. I ain't gonna ask no questions. But you tell me if I'm wrong. I mean, this is what motorcycles were created for, and this is what it used to be, and this is what you can still be without the $20,000 price tag. I'm going to take it up on the service road, because I'm thinking, Ray, you told them you'd give them some upper speeds in 5th gear and tell them what it's like. You can hear those pipes, and the accessory catalog for these is huge. I mean, anything you can think of, This bike, you can buy it for it. I mean, take your hand off the bars, which my wife don't like. I'm at 60 mile an hour, and I just went into 5th gear, and it, no problem. That's pure torque right there, with that 60 foot-pounds of torque. But man, real easy to change lanes. I'm not going to use that front brake, because on a bike like this, you really use the back a little more than what you usually would. I'm in too low of a gear. Woo! Man, I tell you what, I could totally see myself having one of these, and it's not a ton of money wrapped up in something. And just put it in your garage. If you ride it once or twice a month, I mean, you ain't got $25,000 in it. Let's get back out here and give it a go. I love those pipes. Even those factory pipes sound good. And I hope you're picking that up. Make sure I'm getting, yeah, it should be getting a good view. Well, you got to watch it in Dallas. These suckers will dart out in front of you. But really, all you got to do is be careful riding them. And I know some of you are going to say, honey, look at this. What do you think about this? Oh my God. You're going to get hurt, baby. You're going to get hurt. No, you're not. Just be smarter than that guy up in front of you. You know, smarter than that car up in front of you. Don't hang out in the blind spots. I mean, this thing, I haven't really looked at the speedometer except for y'all a while ago. It's just fun. Run up to the store, get you a 6-pack of beer, bring it back home, put it in those bags. It's got those big white walls on the side of it. This bike very easily stops. I'm not even using that front brake. But man, $10,800 Harley. This your worst nightmare right here. Y'all have so wore out the Harley Davidson market. People, I mean, you're going to have some of them, some people that they got to have one for their garage, but you know, that's ridiculous. You could put this on a credit card. These electric cars are becoming a thing. That was one of them right there. But huge thank you to Plano, Kawasaki, Suzuki, Aprilia, Moto Guzzi. They've got all this stuff in stock. They're Texas' largest volume dealer. There's a Moto Guzzi. They've got side-by-sides, jet skis. Man, I hope y'all enjoyed this video as much as me. Left my blinker on there. I just really haven't looked down with this bike because it's more about enjoying the ride. There's your high beam right there. Super simple. I hope you enjoyed this. I do 2 videos a week. God bless. Plano Kawasaki's information is always in the details below the video. We'll see you on the next one. Talk to you later.